Hello everyone, welcome back to Programming Learn. Today we're going to build a simple AI chatbot in Python using the OpenRouter API. This chatbot will run directly in your terminal and remember our conversation history. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to OpenRouter, create an account and copy your API key. After that, open your code editor and create a virtual environment. Now install the required libraries. pip install OpenAI, python-dotenv. We only need two libraries, OpenAI for sending requests to the API and python-dotenv for loading our API key securely. Next, create a file called .env and put your API key inside it like this. No codes needed. Now create your Python file. I'm naming mine agent.py. First, import the libraries. This is simple. OS lets us access environment variables. OpenAI gives us access to the API, and the load.env loads our .env file. Now load the environment variables. This line makes Python read the .env file and load our API key. Now let's create the client. Here we connect our script to OpenRouter. The base URL tells the OpenAI library where to send requests, and os.getEnv grabs our API key securely. Now let's create the message list. This stores our conversation history. The system role controls the AI's behavior. In this case, we tell it to act as a helpful assistant. Now print a starting message. This just tells the user how to exit the chatbot. Now we're creating the main loop. This will keep the chatbot running forever until we stop it. Inside the loop, we get the user input. This waits for the user to type something. Now let's check if the user wants to exit. If the user types exit, the program stops. .lower makes sure it works even if the user types exit or exit. Now save the user message. This adds the user's message to our chat history. This is how the AI remembers what we said before. Now we send everything to the API. This is the most important part. We send all the stored message to the model. I'm using all alpha here, but you can choose any model you want. OpenRouter has a lot of free models. You can pick any one you want. I'll leave the free models page link in the description. Now let's extract the AI response. The API returns a lot of data, but we only need the text reply. So we grab it here. Now print the AI response. This shows the AI's answer in our terminal. Also, if you want the full source code, I uploaded it in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below and download it from there. Feel free to test it, modify it, and build your own version. And that's it. You now have a working AI chatbot in Python. You can improve this by adding better prompts, streaming, saving memory to files, or even voice support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.